adventure's out there.
We'll help you find it.
Fin Feather Fur welcomes you to our channel. Today's episode is brought to you by ProShot Products and Shadow Systems. Today we're going to break down and reassemble your Shadow Systems MR920. A lot of people ask, how often should I clean my firearm? Well, to be honest, most of us are going to tell you after every use. But all situations are different. You could live in an area with high humidity, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt. All those situations could require you to clean your firearm more. Or if you just keep your firearm in your humidified safe all the time, it could be less. But a great reminder is to at least clean your firearm or maintain it once a month to know that it is in proper working condition. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you must always make sure your firearm is free and clear of any ammo. So let's go ahead and point your gun into a safe direction and rack back your slide. Once you've racked back your slide, visually inspect and proceed to check to make sure your firearm is free and clear of any ammo. Once you've done that, flip your gun over and drop your mag. Now that you have your mag out, put your mag as far away from your work area as possible. Next, you're going to proceed by dropping your slide with your slide release. Press your slide release down, it will force your slide forward. Once you've done that, point your gun back into a safe direction and rack the slide a few times just to confirm the firearm is empty. Now, slightly press in your trigger, and you're going to see that there's a tab right here and a tab right here. You're going to press both of those down at the same time once you have your slide racked back just a little bit, so then you can see just my fingertip length on your slide. You're going to pull both of those tabs down, and you're going to let your slide pop all the way forward. Once again, you're going to have to pull your trigger in, and that will release your slide right off of your frame. You're going to put your frame down. Now you'll be able to access your recoil spring assembly. Once you put a little bit of tension on your recoil spring assembly, you're going to be able to set that down. Next, your barrel will drop right out of your gun. Once you have your barrel out, you now have your firearm ready to be cleaned with your ProShot products. So let's go ahead and clean our firearms with our ProShot cleaning products, and once we're done with that, we're going to show you how to reassemble your gun. Now that you've finished cleaning and maintaining your Shadow Systems MR920 with your ProShot cleaning products, you're going to grab your freshly cleaned slide and barrel. You're going to insert your barrel right into your slide like so. And now you're going to grab your recoil spring assembly. This side right here is going to get inserted right there, and this side right here is going to go right into the groove right there on your barrel. Most of the time you have to put a little bit of tension on your recoil spring assembly. That way you're able to set it back into the barrel. Once your recoil spring is set back into the barrel, your barrel is now locked back into your slide. Once that is done, you're going to grab your frame, and you're going to take this groove right here and insert it into the back of the groove on your slide. You're going to push your slide all the way back on to your frame, just like so, and then let the slide slide all the way back. Now you're going to point your gun back into a safe direction, and you're going to function test your firearm. Start off by racking your slide a few times. That also lets you know your firearm is free and clear of any ammo. While still pointing the firearm into a safe direction, you're going to slightly press in your trigger. You're going to hold your trigger in when you do that, because you're going to rack your slide one more time, and you're going to slowly release your trigger. Once you hear that click just allows you to know that your trigger has been reset, and you can pull it once more, and now your function test is complete. So whether you are storing your firearm in your Liberty safe, or if this is your everyday carry, always make sure to remember a secure firearm is a safe firearm. One more thing before I let you go, everybody, make sure to go ahead and stop by our page and hit the like and subscribe button. If there's anything you'd ever like us to do a video on, drop us a comment. Also, make sure to tag your friends, because as we hit our milestones in followers and subscribers, we're going to be giving away some amazing giveaways. A special shout out to ProShot Products for making this episode possible. And as always, everyone, have a fantastic day.